Almost forgot, guys. We gotta trim our fenders out. So we got our trusty Sawzall here, nice DeWalt. Pick that up. When it comes to trimming fenders, I didn't do this, it was already done. But as you can see, the wheel came back and hit this at some point and bent that fender in. We can't have that, so we gotta clearance this a little bit. When it comes to trimming fenders, it's all about precision. So let's get precise, get our Sawzall, and get cut. Remember, precision. Precision. Oh, we bent our blade. Can't be precise with a bent blade. A little better. Get our inner fender, we'll have to tie back a little bit. Yeah, precision. Man, they don't make these things like they used to. This steel is thin. We don't need this. Much better. Now we got some clearance. Tackle this back a little bit. I did forget one key precision instrument here. We gotta protect our eyes, guys. Here, put these on. All right, the back really need it because they're uncut so far. So let's look inside, make sure we're not gonna hit anything, and get cutting. This thing's rusty. Wow. It's hard to be precise when you got so much rust, but we're giving it our best shot here. Look at that. Someone's idea of good body work. Nothing in the way back here. We're free to go. Nice. Way more room now. That actually even looks better. Not really, but... Well, I did try and stay precise, but we got a lot of rust here. We pulled all kinds of stuff out of this corner, from this material here to spray foam to body filler to... This is just actually like flashing, like house flashing, and it did rip there, so yeah, well, That's good enough. We have tire clearance now, and she's starting to look a little bit better, I think. As you can see, it does run now. It doesn't run actually half bad. Revs up now anyway, and it does idle, so I'm gonna call that a win. I may have just accidentally fixed the Bronco, guys. It's the craziest thing. I was discussing it actually with my brother, and we were thinking could possibly be the coolant temp sensor, which this has two. Well, this is the sender. One wire goes in and makes your gauge read, tells you what temperature the motor is. The second one is right here, and that is for the computer, to tell the computer how warm or cold the motor is, so it knows how to adjust fuel. So I called. They're not real cheap. They're about 50 bucks from a local parts store, and I really didn't want to spend that much more money on this thing because we've already spent enough and it still wasn't running right. So I just happened to notice, you can see how this lock part is cracked, which is very common on all these old plastic pieces, and it wasn't 100% pushed down. I took my finger and just pushed it down the rest of the way, started it up, immediately check engine light went off, and it idled. I've let it run a couple times so far, and so far it's actually running pretty decent. So I think it might have been the whole problem. It was so intermittent, I didn't really think it was the sensor, but I was going to try it anyway, and I think that was it. It was just plugged in just enough to every once in a while it would make connection. Other times it wouldn't. Sometimes it run like crap. Sometimes it run perfectly fine. So that kind of makes sense. Hopefully that's it. I might try to put a I don't know, zip tie or something to hold that down, since this tab's now broke. But yeah, that happens, and sometimes it's those weird, crazy problems that just drive you nuts and you chase all over the place. It ends up being something really dumb and simple. We did the fuel pumps, and that solved that. It ran better, but it still had that intermittent run problem. But anyway, I think we might be good until the next thing breaks on this thing. All right, since we got it running good, here's the keys, Jessica.
It's my new ride. Which key is it?
You don't know?
Do you keep it locked?
No, I rarely take the keys out. I probably shouldn't have told everyone that.
Yeah, really.
It does sit up pretty good. We'll put the window down. All right, start it up. Make sure it's out of gear. Clutch in. You remember which one's the clutch? It's been a while since you drove stick, ain't it? Oh yeah.
Listen to that baby purr. You're not riding with me?
I'm gonna watch you back up first. Hush up, hush up. Yeah. All the way to right and back. Right back, there you go. Turn it the other way. Look out the back. Turn around, look out. Turn around to your right and look out the back. Oh boy. Turn it, turn it, turn it. I have no idea why she went that way, but it's in 4 low, so it's binding up. All right, should make that. All right, maybe we should ride with her. Ugh. Let me put my window down.
We need rear view mirrors.
No,
This is not
you just turn around and look.
safe.
The mirror situation is the least of your. Hit the brakes so you know how they work. Push the clutch in.
I know how brakes work.
Well, on this, they almost go to the floor, so you just gotta get used to them. You don't just jump in and.
Let's sing the Dukes of Hazzard theme song.
Okay, you go ahead.
Will you get, what's the word?
Demonetized now.
Hold on to your button.
Not bad.
Not too shabby.
It's a little rattly.
A little bit.
That roll cage dances all around back there,
You
but
should like be wearing seatbelts.
yeah, I don't know if it's got working seatbelts. Whoa, that's not the right gear. Not the right gear at all.
Let's climb things.
All right, we'll find something to climb. All right.
Howdy neighbor.
They don't call it a Bronco for nothing. There's 3rd gear.
There's third gear.
4th gear.
Wind is purrs like a kitten.
It is pretty smooth though.
It is not at all.
It floats right over.
You're high or something.
23 mile an hour.
Woo! Can I get to the yard?
Yeah, but we'll climb the hill here.
I don't know.
All right. How was your first driving?
Excellent.
You ready to trade in the Yukon?
Yeah, buddy. I'm ready to make this my go-to vehicle.
Oh boy. Shut it off. Put it in gear. There you go.
Does it break even more?
No. All right, now my turn to drive. Are you riding?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, it will.
I don't want to roll over.
We're not gonna roll.
What in the world? Hold on. That's our yard. And we're done.
I'm not sure why it's cutting off. Fires right back up.
Yeah.
And idles. It's good.
Runs great.
Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.